Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Do you know how images play an important role in our websites? But here's the issue. Too many images can do more harm than good. They clutter your page, overwhelming the viewers. Plus, it does not encourage user interaction, making the page feel less engaging. That's where the Image Accordion widget comes in. Instead of overwhelming your visitors with scattered images, it offers a compact, interactive, and engaging format. Users can hover or click to reveal more information, keeping your site clean, dynamic. This innovative widget allows you to maintain a visually stunning design without sacrificing user experience. To use the Image Accordion widget, you must have the Elementor and Elementor add-on Elements plugins installed and activated on your website. Now, open the page where you want to add the Image Accordion using Elementor. Search for the Image Accordion widget, making sure to select the widget with the EAE badge in the top left corner. Drag it onto your page. You'll see default accordion panels. Let's customize them. Under the Content section, first, choose a skin type, transparent, or panel. Here, items refer to the number of images in the accordion. By default, it comes with 3, but you can add more by clicking Add Item or remove any as needed. Click on the first item to dive into individual panel settings. Upload a stunning image, craft a catchy title with the perfect HTML tag, and add a short yet impactful description to provide more context. Customize the button text, add the URL, and choose an icon, or upload an SVG to display alongside the button. Enable this option to display the panel as soon as the page loads. Now, under the Icon menu, choose an icon type such as icons, images, or Lottie animations and customize its view. Under Style settings, you have full control over each panel's design. Customize icons with colors, size, padding, and hover effects. Choose between classic or gradient backgrounds, fine-tune borders, and position content precisely. Enhance text with custom colors, typography, shadows, and blend modes. Style buttons with distinct colors, borders, and hover effects for a seamless interactive experience. Let's dive into the essential settings. Adjust the width and height of Image Accordion items, set the gap, and choose whether images expand on hover or click. Optimize for mobile or tablet, enable a counter for tracking, and customize its appearance for a polished look. Style controls let you customize the entire Image Accordion. Panels, titles, descriptions, buttons, counters, and icons, all in one place for a seamless, polished look. With panel styling, personalize the backgrounds, adjust spacing and borders, and position content precisely. Customize your title and descriptions with unique colors and typography to match your style and enhance readability. Style your buttons with custom typography, colors, and shadows. Adjust borders, padding, and radius, and set distinct looks for normal and hover states. You can refine the counter's appearance by adjusting its placement, color, and typography. To match your design, you can enhance both normal and hover states. Style the icons for both normal and hover states by adjusting colors, size, borders, and hover effects for a seamless transition. Check out how your Image Accordion looks on your website. If you prefer a different look, head back to Content, then skin and switch to the panel for a more structured design. With smooth transitions, stylish layouts, and dynamic effects, your images will instantly grab attention and enhance user engagement. Here we're showcasing visuals with customized titles, descriptions, and interactive navigation. With just a few tweaks, you can transform your image section into a stunning, space-saving, and engaging feature of your website. So go ahead, use the widget, customize it, and make it truly yours. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Check out the description below for the documentation, live demo, and other useful resources to help you get started effortlessly. See you in the next tutorial.